Oh my gosh. What is that? I am uncultured.
Some Mercury something. So, this is the new whip. This is my new vehicle. It is a 2015 Subaru WRX, not an STI. Don't read the badges too closely. The guy who had it before me, he was kind of a racer. He was kind of a badge whore, so I'm having to like undo all of his mistakes.
Okay, like you got the wing here?
Yeah, like I got the wing here. I'm gonna keep the wing because without it, it kind of looks like a Camry in my opinion.
Ow. Oh, sorry, Subaru.
Sorry, Subaru. I mean, the front end got it right, but the back end, not really. I got Bridgestone SO4 pole position tires on this thing.
Oh, so you're OP now.
In Nakazato tradition, 4 doors for more horse.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Or 5 doors for more.
I think this is the sport package, but I've got AutoZone floor mats because it didn't come with any.
Looks just like your standard WRX.
Standard WRX. I know the guy before me like optioned out some stuff on the interior, just some plastic piece that he bought on eBay.
Got it.
Shout out to like that other Subaru that's the same as mine. This guy sent me a ton of stickers from your Discord. Shout out to him.
Oh, hey, let's go chase them. Oh. Hey, wait, guys. Hold on. We gonna chase you. Yeah, you are now. Hold on, but you gotta take my backpack. Okay.
Nor does that.
That's a little bit strange, but anyways. Oh, he needs.
We're going. We're going. I'm chasing him.
We'll be back.
This guy's pretty fast, so hopefully I can keep up.
Indeed.
It also has mods and I do not.
Yes, and he also has a lot of seat time and very OP tires. But y'all got course knowledge, which is a good part of it. Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
I don't run this road a lot. I stick to that other one.
That's fair enough, yeah. I mean, to be fair, he don't run it either. He's getting pace notes right now.
I'm glad I chased because I can follow his braking zones and such.
Right, yeah.
He probably does have better brakes than me, though.
Yes, he does.
Not to my knowledge.
Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. Oh geez, oh man, yeah, this is like, I would say it's a pretty good pace, eh?
It is a pretty good pace.
Okay,
keep in mind, I haven't really been out here for a while, though.
That's fair, yeah, this is like a hiatus.
I haven't been practicing.
Oh, nice. Wow.
Wow.
I don't even know what the hell that was. But we don't stop for supercars here.
We don't stop last time we stopped for supercars, they didn't even want to race.
Yeah, so forget that, you know, this is more important. You know, if you want to see supercars, go to a hard parking channel right here. It's all about dynamics.
Supercars versus Subarus.
Yes, sir. Alright. Hopefully he has a little bit of mercy. Have us catch back up there. right, cool. He is doing that.
This is the first time I've really gone over 6 tenths in this car.
Hey,
Honestly.
that's good. That's good. You're getting your practice in. This is a great time to do that.
Yeah, I'm fucking mobbing this thing though.
Hell yeah.
It's just so perfect from the factory.
Yeah, definitely. It's just, oh, it soaks up the bumps. Easy
Yeah,
money.
there's a shitload of suspension travel, but it's so stiff.
Yeah.
These corners are always suss me out a little bit, just because they're so long.
Oh. Those are actually my favorite corners. Yeah, this one also. Just getting it just right. Even if you underdrive the entry, you can just like adapt and get an earlier exit.
Fucking sunglasses, shit.
You know, a little bit blinded there, buddy?
little bit. Little bit blind. This part of the course is where I kind of start losing the muscle memory. There's a lot of really sweeping turns, and I'm more used to that like lower first half back
the
there
technical.
through the trees. Yeah,
For sure. I feel it. Yeah, everyone has their core competencies.
but again, this isn't really my like home course. Like I haven't run this as much as you'd expect.
Yeah, definitely. I remember, last time just barely running it, but that's okay. Do you want to like chase the route? I can buy you something at Safeway.
Shit, I don't know.
Okay, fair enough. We'll turn back.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to like mob.
We'll be back up
right now.
Yeah, totally. We went to